Hello everyone, good evening. Myself, I am Pavan Kumar, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Chemistry in MVCR College of Engineering. As a part of capstone project of IUCEE, I have chosen Canvas as LMS to get through online teaching for the coming semester for my students of BTech first semester. So whatever the course I have created, I will be narrating for this project purpose. So by using login credentials, I will be getting into my account, and in my dashboard I find the courses which I have been going through. So here I have created a course called Instrumental Methods of Analysis. When I click on this course, I'll get the home page of the course where students can find out it is for BTech first semester and it is open elective, myself, and contact hours for the course is every day from 10 AM to 11 AM, and then the meeting hours is on every Wednesday, Friday and Saturday from 4 PM to 5 PM. The meeting is planned through Microsoft Teams. Students can reach me through my mobile, or even they can reach me by mail address also. I have downloaded and uploaded here an ebook for the course which I have been delivering. Then that is about home page. I have created announcements also. So these announcements are, for the first one is welcome announcement for the course IMA Instrumental Methods of Analysis, and one is graded discussion 1. I have given a graded discussion like prerequisite, what the students know about this particular course that is going to be taught. Then people, so for purpose of project I have added 8 students into this course, and myself as an instructor, and all the other students who are going to deal with this course. Then I have given 2 modules for this course. Module 0, where I have given the necessary data like syllabus of this course, course outcomes, mapping with COs and POs, textbooks and reference books that were necessary for further reading. Then I have added a model question paper, then timetable for this course, then lesson plan, and then the ebook. Let me show you once for the course outcomes. This when the students goes, and when he or she is going to check for the course outcomes, they will appear, and they want to download, they can download the same. So we have given 5 outcomes, and these 5 outcomes will be mapped with the POs and COs. Then after people, then I have given one assignment. So assignment 1. So here when the students get through, I have given 3 questions. They have to upload a file which is answered like a manuscript in the form of either PDF, DOC and docs. Afterwards, I have created pages. One is home page for the purpose of making everyone to understand what exactly the course is going to deal with. Then I have uploaded files. The students, they can download it, otherwise they can just go through for their reading. Then quizzes, coming to quizzes in module. So I have planned 1 quiz, basics of spectroscopy. The quiz is, I have planned 8 questions, and the time is for 15 minutes, and the students can directly get through the their performance. Then let me get back to modules 1 once again. So this is all about module 0. Then module 1. In module 1, I have placed one PowerPoint presentation which is video recorded. Then I have given self-study material of the particular course for this module 1, and then assignment 1, then quiz 1, then discussion on module 1, and a live session, a YouTube recorded video I have placed here. Then if you get through grades, so I have 8 students in my course as the purpose of the project. So these students and the grades like this. So graded assignment, those who have submitted their grades I am giving, and the quiz and the total attendance and the total performance of the student has also been given. Then I've shown you homepage of announcement, assignment, and discussions. Let me show you discussions here. So I placed one graded discussion on module 1. So 2 students have attempted it and I have graded it also by using SpeedGrader. So here they have answered and I graded them for this particular answer of theirs. So this is what actually I prepared, like homepage, announcements, assignments, grades, people I have added, pages, syllabus, outcomes, rubrics. Let me show you. I have added a rubric also there. So for assignment 1, I have created a rubric. From 0 to 5 points, I have given it as excellent. From 0 to 3 to 4, it was good, and 0 to 3, it was fair, and 0 like, and the corresponding description also I have given here. So that's all, and even I collected the feedback from the students and through mail, which I cannot show you here, for which I apologize. But the students were they felt this is little good because everything was there, and this mode of teaching they felt comfortable. Whenever they feel free, they can go through the videos and lectures and material, and they can perform even better in the examination. As a teacher, I feel it's good, but one-to-one personal interaction is extremely important, especially when teaching is concerned, the teaching profession is concerned. My guru is used to say one word: no one can replace a teacher and no place can replace a school or a college. But in this present scenario, it is mandatory for us to get through. So this is also a good platform. I have chosen Canvas and I felt extremely happy to learn such a wonderful pedagogical technique. My sincere thanks are due to UCEE and my colleague Shobha Rani Madam Garu, who made me to understand everything during my discussions with her. Thank you, Madam, and thank you, IUCEE.